AI Tool, New Features Overview. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into some exciting new updates to our AI tool that are designed to boost your productivity and creativity. We've been listening to your feedback, and we're thrilled to roll out these features that will make your workflow even smoother. Let's jump right in. First up, we have Smart Summarization. This feature uses advanced AI to condense lengthy documents or articles into concise summaries. Imagine instantly grasping the key points of a 50-page report in just minutes. This saves you valuable time and helps you stay informed without the information overload. Next, we're introducing enhanced collaboration. Now, you can seamlessly share your AI-generated content with your team and gather feedback in real time. This streamlines your collaborative projects, ensuring everyone is on the same page and contributing effectively. No more endless email chains. Our third feature is predictive text generation. This AI-powered tool anticipates your writing needs and suggests relevant phrases and sentences as you type. It's like having a writing assistant that helps you overcome writer's block and craft compelling content faster than ever before. So, there you have it, 3 incredible new features designed to revolutionize the way you work. Ready to experience the power of these updates? Head over to our website and give them a try today. And don't forget to subscribe for more AI tips, tricks, and updates. Thanks for watching.